Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching and thank you for sticking by me. If you are a current subscriber and you are still here, then thank you for waiting for me. As you can tell, I have been off YouTube for a few months now. I gave a little bit of an update at the end of the video. Just in case you are new here and you're just here for the tutorial, then I will just get straight into it. So this is kind of my go-to makeup look where I want to look a little bit more put together, but a bit more than natural, kind of soft glam, but not too glam. Does that even make any sense? But yeah, this is the look here. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I do already have my moisturiser on, but I'm also going to use the Supergoop SPF 30. So this has a really nice glow to it. It also has a little bit of a tint as well. So it works really well underneath makeup because it evens out your skin tone and gives a little bit of radiance underneath your base. For foundation, I'm going to use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 6. And then for my brush, I'm using the new Morphe Vegan brush, and this is in the style V100. So I apply that all over with a brush first. Then to add a little bit more coverage, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Beige, and I actually prefer to use my finger when doing this because I feel like it just blends into the skin just a little bit more seamlessly. So it's mainly just some scarring that I've got from previous spots. I just pat that in and then it kind of melts it into the layer of foundation. Then I'm using the same concealer underneath my eyes, and this is in the shade Shortbread. I prefer to use a sponge to blend that in and just bounce it up and down so I don't move any of the coverage. So before I use any powders, I'm gonna go in with my liquid products. So I have been loving the shade Joy. So this is by Rare Beauty. It's their liquid blush. So a little bit does go a long way. So I would definitely put a little bit on the back of your hand, just like one dot, because if you put one dot on each cheek, it's just going to be too much. And then I will get the other side of my sponge and just dab it into the product and then literally dab it on each side. And I kind of pop it at the highest point of my cheekbone rather than the apple of the cheek. Again, going in with my liquid blush. This is the Ordinary Iconic Drops. And you use the same side of the sponge from before and just dab that up and down on the highest point of my cheekbone. And this is my new favourite brush for powder. So this is the Morphe V016. So it's one of their new vegan brushes. I love how like tapered it is. It is perfect for underneath the eye. So I'll get a generous amount on my brush and just lightly bounce that up and down underneath the eye. And then I will also pop that on the chin, and then whatever's left on my brush I'll pop everywhere else. So once I've powdered everything down, I can go in with my powder products. So for bronzer, I like to use the shade Dark Golden in the Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. And I will literally just dab that, bounce it up and down in case it's still a little bit tacky, and that way you won't get that like patchiness. Pop it where you would naturally get a suntan on the forehead. I feel like this instantly warms up your whole complexion, skin, and it just makes it look so much more awake. And then also kind of not necessarily in the hollow of the cheekbone, but kind of a little bit on top of where I put the blush. So eyeshadow is really simple. So I firstly go in with the Vive blusher. So I'll use this like as my last step on my cheeks, but it's kind of nice on the eyes as well, and it kind of links everything together. So this is the Sunset blush in Pesca, and I will just work that through the natural crease of my eye really quick and easy. So if I'm in a rush, I will literally just pop this through the crease. And we love a multi-use product here, so I'll also go in with my bronzer that I used from earlier to just give it a little bit more definition. So this is dark golden. Pop that on the outer corner and bring that towards the lash line as well. And I won't always do this, but I'll take a little bit underneath the eye with a pencil brush, but I'll keep it towards the outer corner of my eye. Just pop it onto the lash line. Then for an everyday palette, I do really love the Be Perfect Clientele palette, and I go in with the shade Asher, which is a really nice peachy nude, and I will pop that on the inner part of my eyelid, and that just really enhances the eye and just brightens it up. I just went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, so I used the Tatti lashes. They're kind of like cluster lashes, and I don't know if you've seen it on TikTok. Wow, this is where I saw it first, but people basically put individual lashes or cluster lashes underneath the eyes. So I just go close. They might be drying a little bit, but it just makes them look like eyelash extensions. But I cannot for the life of me do it on camera. I literally have to be like this close to the mirror, and I will use stripped down lip liner just round the edges, and I will kind of focus it on the center. Just blend that in with my finger, then also on the center on the bottom. And then my favorite liquid lip at the moment, I mean it has been for a while, you've probably seen me use it quite a few times in my videos, but it's the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics liquid lip in the shade Empowered. So I'll just kind of put that on the center. Then sometimes I will go in with a gloss. This one I've got today is Boho by Morphe. It's just a little bit more pink, but it's just got a really nice subtle shine. So that's pretty much my go-to look finished. So pretty natural, but still looks a little bit glam, but not too much. But I'm so glad to be back filming YouTube videos, so please let me know if you would like to see anything else. But yes, I am also over on TikTok, so I am posting pretty much every day on TikTok, and it is like daily vlogs, morning routines, evening routines, a little bit of wellness, that kind of thing. So yeah, if you are into that kind of thing and you want to see more of me, don't forget to check that out down below. I'll have all my socials linked in the description box. But yeah, that is pretty much what I've been up to over the last few months, and why I've kind of been missing from YouTube, because I got to a point where I was a little bit overwhelmed with, I was trying to post pretty much every week, and it kind of just got a bit too much. And also I was posting on Instagram and trying to post on TikTok, and there's just too much going on right now. There's just so many platforms. You've got Instagram trying to be TikTok, and I've been on Instagram or posting makeup content on Instagram for quite a while, and yeah, Instagram's just a bit weird at the moment. And the reason why I started more kind of like everyday content, because I was just fed up with Instagram being so like filtered, and it just felt really, it didn't feel very authentic to me, and I just felt like it's just a platform where you end up comparing yourself to other creators, or if you're just someone who, if you're just a consumer and you're just scrolling, sometimes it ends up not being that healthy and just really toxic, because you're just sat there scrolling, comparing yourself. And that's what I felt like with my makeup content. I was always looking at other people's content or how well they were doing, and it just wasn't healthy for me. So I've pretty much stopped posting on Instagram now, but I'm going to continue posting my makeup videos on YouTube because it is something that I absolutely love, and I will continue to post on TikTok like I said. So yeah, let me know how you feel about Instagram. I'm kind of over it, and it's dying a slow death, as in my Instagram. I used to reach so many people through like hashtags. All the people that I would reach would be people that don't follow me, but now my posts hardly get seen by my followers, let alone new people. So I just felt like I was putting so much time and effort into something that I just wasn't getting back, and it was taking up a lot of my energy, and I wasn't really enjoying it. So I feel like that is one thing that I want to ensure that I'm always enjoying it, and I absolutely love YouTube and I'm so happy to be back. So I hope you are too. Sorry I've been gone a while, but also we are moving house as well. So for the past 6 or 7 months we have been selling our house. We've been looking for a new house and we finally found a house. So we'll be moving very soon. We're going to be moving out of this current house shortly. We don't have a date yet, but yeah, that is also where all my energy has been going. It's been a lot, as you can imagine, selling a house and buying a new house. But yeah, so I'm sure if you follow me on TikTok you'll see lots of moving vlogs, that kind of thing. Maybe you'll see a moving vlog on YouTube, I'm not really sure yet, because I know this is purely makeup. But yeah, let me know if you want to see that anyways. But I will stop rambling now. Thank you if you made it to the end. Thank you for sticking with me as well whilst I've been gone. So yeah, thank you for all of your support. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and give this video a thumbs up as well, and comment down below, let me know that you are still here. Well, thank you again for watching and you'll see me in my next one. Bye!